Hi, it's Deb's Villicacina. And every place has apples. Our favorite apple is the Honey Crisp. So I've taken 6 cups of peeled and sliced apples, and I'm going to make a crisp. Cup of organic rolled oats. I then did 3/4 of a cup of gluten-free flour, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and then about a 1/2 cup of coconut oil. I'm going to mix this all up so it ends up being a crunch. All right, well there's the crumble, and I'll just add it on top of the apples. By the way, I actually had put some coconut oil in the bottom of the pan, if you will. But it's gluten-free and dairy-free, and that's what makes it. I'll sprinkle it with a little bit of cinnamon, so I'll do that. And then in here I have some dried cranberries. Pecans would be good. I didn't have pecans, so I actually have almonds. I've got it at 400, but we'll check how it is in about 45 minutes.